Hello everyone, Jai Hind, welcome back to my channel. Friends, Accenture is looking for ASE, Associate Software Engineers. So I'll share a full information about the role, work location, type, experience, qualifications, and package that is shared by the Accenture company. First of all, do subscribe to this channel to get regular job updates. I have shared a lot of job updates on this channel. Also, I have shared preparation and interviews updates, so do subscribe to this channel to get regular job updates. Also, if you like the video, then do hit the like button. If you have any query regarding this video or any kind of information do you want regarding any job or preparation updates, then do comment. Let's start. Friends, Accenture is looking for associate software engineer. So the work location is in Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune, Mumbai, Chennai, Gurgaon, Kolkata, Indore, Jaipur, and Coimbatore. It's a full-time job opportunity shared by the Accenture. The experience is that a fresher of experience between 0 to 11 months can apply for this role. Like if you are a 2022 and 2023 batch student, then you can apply for this role. The only thing is that you haven't sit or you haven't get any interviews invitations from Accenture in the past 3 months. This is the only criteria apart from this experience. Like if you are a 2022 and 2023 batch with qualifications of BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, MSc, CSIT, then you can apply for this job. The package that you will get for this role is some between 4.5 LPA. Like it is already mentioned here that you will get a package of 4.5 LPA. So now the thing is that how to apply for this role. So you will get this link in the description box, and while tapping on this link, you will land to this page. Here's a lot of other informations that you will get on this page, like eligibility, description, and process also. Like what do you need to do for all the things, and what is the whole process for getting this job. Okay, like there's an assessment round, then technical assessment round, then interviews, and all. So the thing is that how to apply for this role. When you will land to this page by clicking the link that you will get in the description box, click on apply now, and then you need to enter your personal details and any other kind of information that is requested by the company in the application portal. Also pay close attention to the instructions provided and fill out all the necessary fields accurately and completely. Double check all the information provided before submitting the application, and make sure that your contact information is correct and up to date and accurately reflect your qualifications and experience, that whatever qualifications or whatever the experiences of past projects or appreciations you have from your college,